Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Part Question 24. The wavelength of a wave traveling with a velocity of 420 meters per second is 42 meters. What is its period? A. 1 second, B. 0.1 second, C. 0.5 seconds, D. 1.2 seconds. So we are looking at waves, and we are dealing with wavelength, we are dealing with velocity, okay? And we're asked to find its period. Now we're going to be using two formulas to solve this question. The first formula, V is equal to F lambda, which is the first familiar wave formula, and the second one, T, which is period, equal to 1 over F. Now let's look at the first formula. Okay, so we are going to have to find frequency first in order to find period, because we have to find period and we're given velocity V, which is 420 meters per second, and we are given wavelength. We are given the wavelength, which is lambda, and that is 42 meters. Okay, so we are given these two. So first we'll find frequency, okay, F, and then we'll now use it to find period, which is T. So making F subject to a formula here, F is equal to V over lambda. F is therefore equal to V, which is 420 over 42, and that is equal to 10 hertz. Okay, 10 hertz. That is the frequency. Now, since we have gotten the frequency, let's get the period. Now, period T is equal to 1 over F. That is 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 is equal to 0.1 seconds. So the period is equal to 0.1 seconds. 0.1 seconds is option B, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.